Hello class, this is Dr. Fenton. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tegrity from McGraw-Hill to record your exam sessions. In this course, you'll have to video record all of your exam sessions. Now this is to make sure that the person signed up to take the class is the one actually taking the exam. So let's get started. Let me remove my video. Go to here. Now for this example, I'm going to use the Accounting 201 Canvas site. But this will work for any Canvas course. And if you look at this syllabus, scroll down, I have here on this one, on Sunday, October 20th, a bonus exam. And this is to use to make sure that your Tegrity is recording properly. So this is a bonus exam. You know, if you don't do well in the exam, it's only like a 5-point exam with 5 more points you can earn if you submit the video. So again, this is voluntary, but you need to make sure that you have it recording correctly, because when you get down to the first exam over these several chapters, you know, this exam is worth 100 points. So these exams need to be recorded so that I can view them later on. The thing about to start Tegrity here is don't click on this link. You know, any of these exam links, don't click on these. What you want to do, I'm going to show you something else. Because in your Canvas site, you don't see all these other files. So I can go here on mine, go to Student View, and you only have a few of these links over here. But I want you to click on your McGraw-Hill Connect link. Let me go back to my view, because it doesn't work through my student view here. But no matter what, go ahead and click on this McGraw-Hill Connect. Let it load up. It's pairing with the Connect course in McGraw-Hill's website, and your screen will come up, and you probably will have only these items here to choose from. This is what I have on my computer as the instructor, so you probably don't see these. What you need to do is click on the one called Lecture Captures. So don't click on the others, don't go to my Connect section or any of the others. Click on Lecture Captures. It'll load Connect for a split second, and then it'll bring up the Tegrity page right here. And when you get to this, the first thing you need to do is click on Start a Test. So click here, and it'll bring up the policy for the exams. So this is what I have typed so far. I might add to these a little bit later on. Make sure you read each of these. This shows you the rules for taking the exam. This is almost as if you're taking the exam in the classroom. You're not asking other people for help. You're not looking in your textbook. And I need to be able to see on the video you taking the exam with no help. So after you read through all these, click Accept. And then what it will do is check your computer to see if you have Tegrity already loaded. I don't. This is my home computer, so I don't have this loaded yet. And here I need to get rid of this. So the only way for this OK to work is for me to click it here, click OK, and then get rid of it. And now I'm back to what I need. So let's download the Tegrity Recorder installation. Click here. And this will put the app on your computer. After your program downloads, you need to double click the file. Now what I have to do is go back to my other window back here, and here's the file. So you might have to look around for it on your own computer depending on where your computer puts it. So I'm going to click Run. And I should install. Here it goes. So install anyway, even though this is not coming from the Microsoft Verified Store. Install anyway. And now it's preparing it. It's asking permission to install. Click Yes. It looks like it's going to take a few minutes, so I'll pause the video and come back after it is fully installed. Okay, so now it just fully installed. Let's wait another minute or two. See what happens. It says on number 3 up here, it will launch in a few moments. We'll wait a few more moments. If not, then we will Just click record here. Oh, but here it came. The select camera is not working properly. All right, so what other choices do I have? I know what the problem is. I'm already using the camera to record this, and now I'm trying to make a recording within a recording, and that's not letting me do that. And I'm not sure how to do this. But anyway, at this point, you should see your face from your camera. Make sure it's working properly. If not, choose your camera. And again, I cannot do it because I'm making a recording using Screencast-O-Matic and trying to make a recording within that of Tegrity. Once your camera is showing up here, your picture, your video is showing up, and your voice level is okay, click Next. And next will probably have you take a photo. And what I want you to do, and I wish I could show it here, but I cannot. I wish I could show this to you, but I want you to hold up an ID next to your face, so I'll see both at the same time, and make sure the ID is close enough to the camera that I can read it. Use your NKU ID if you have one. If not, use your driver's license or some government ID. So I need to be able to match the photo in the ID with your face, your name in the ID with your name in the course. Again, that's to verify that whoever is registered for this course is taking this exam. So when you're ready, holding up at the correct spot, ready to take the photo, there'll be a button for you to click, and it'll take a photo, and it'll save that. And then after that, just follow the instructions. And let me see if I can sort of show you what to do. Don't do what I did there. Don't get rid of your video. Once it's recording, when I do it, I see a little item down here at the bottom with just a few little choices on it. One's to stop, maybe one's to pause, or maybe you cannot pause, I'm not sure. Anyway, don't touch anything yet. Go back to Connect, right here, and let me see, yes, right here. And this is, let me show you something. All right, this is what I see as an instructor. I'm going to click here, Student View. So as that's recording, go back to the Connect page, and I'm assuming your page looks like this that's coming up. Give it one more second. So I'm assuming it looks like this. So what you want to do here on this trial exam is click to start. So once you click to start here, it says you have 20 minutes to complete, and you have unlimited attempts, just 5 points, just 5 questions, and you'll click begin. Now your Tegrity on your computer should be recording all this at this point. So I want you to start this exam after you start the recording process in Tegrity. Click begin and have 20 minutes. Let's begin. And then we see the first question popping up here after this one, okay? All right, here's the first question. And answer it. This is in your textbook, direct cost. So choose the one in here. And you probably will find out that direct costs are ones that can be easily traced to a particular cost object. So once you select the correct answer, click Next. And it says manufacturing overhead includes, read your choices, and you might find out that all manufacturing costs except direct labor and direct materials. Those are the ones that are overhead cost, manufacturing overhead. So again, watch your terms in accounting. This is asking for manufacturing overhead, and that includes all manufacturing costs except materials and labor. And click Next. Go to the next question. I'll let you, answer this yourself. Prime cost. Go to the next one. An example of a committed fixed cost is, and you could take a look at this, and something that you committed to long term, a fixed cost sounds something like a lease to me. You're locked into it by contract. And then I'll let you answer this last question yourself. So when you're through, click Submit. And I have 2 incomplete questions. I did this on purpose. I wouldn't give you all the answers. Click Submit. and tells you your score. And once you're done here, you can exit. Come back to the screen, and hopefully, I'm assuming at the bottom of your screen, as you do this, there's a little stop button down here. Click stop, and then I think it's going to ask you in a window, are you sure you want to stop? Are you finished? Click yes. And there might be another option to click to submit the recording. So I want you to do that. So again, I wish I could show you all these steps on here, but I've showed you most of them. So again, this is a bonus exam, so you're not going to lose points if you mess up the first time. So anyway, I hope that's somewhat clear. I want you to do this before the exam starts, a week after this practice exam is due. Anyway, good luck, and again, email me if you have any questions.